Imagine waking up to find TikTok gone. Millions of creators silenced overnight. A government ban? A national security threat? Or just a power move? But here's the real shocker. New Chinese apps are already taking over. Is this the end of social media as we know it, or just the beginning of a digital rebellion?
Oh, U.S. government of America, you've made a big mistake.
Let's find out. TikTok has been a cultural phenomenon, but with the threat of a ban looming, a new wave of Chinese apps is stepping into the spotlight. From short-form video platforms to social media giants, these apps are racing to capture the attention of millions of users. But what does this mean for the future of social media? In this video, we'll explore the rise of these alternatives and how they're reshaping the digital landscape. Just before the ban took effect, TikTok users in the US were met with a shocking message. Sorry, TikTok isn't available right now. The app explained that a new law had banned TikTok, leaving millions of users in the dark. But here's the twist. TikTok hinted at a possible comeback, stating that President Trump was working on a solution. For now, though, the app was gone, leaving users scrambling for alternatives. A spokesperson for President-elect Donald Trump's transition team did not immediately respond to requests for comment about the app's notification. The message prompted users to either close the app or learn more. However, the landing page also stated that they could still log in to download their data. The app also appeared to have been removed from Apple's and Google's app stores, making it unavailable for download. So, why is TikTok facing a ban? The concerns boil down to three main issues: national security, data privacy, and content moderation. First, there's the fear that TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, could share user data with the Chinese government, posing a risk to national security. Second, questions about how TikTok handles user data have sparked privacy concerns. Finally, critics argue that the platform could be used to spread misinformation or propaganda, influencing public opinion. Another significant concern is data privacy. Questions have been raised about how TikTok handles user data, including the possibility of sharing sensitive information with third parties or foreign governments. Furthermore, content moderation on the platform has been a subject of criticism. Critics argue that the app could be used to spread misinformation or propaganda, potentially influencing American users and public opinion. Finally, the platform's immense popularity among young users has raised concerns about its impact on youth. These concerns include potential negative effects on mental health, privacy risks, and exposure to inappropriate content. These factors have fueled ongoing discussions and legislative efforts in the US, with proposals ranging from outright bans to the imposition of strict regulations on TikTok's operations within the country. With TikTok out of the picture, users are flocking to alternative apps like Xiaohong Shu, also known as Rednote. Think of it as a mix between Instagram and Pinterest, perfect for sharing travel tips, makeup tutorials, and fashion inspiration. It's no surprise that Xiaohong Shu has skyrocketed to the top of the app stores, especially among users looking for a TikTok replacement. Many American users who have recently joined the platform have indicated that their decision was made in direct defiance of the US government's ban on TikTok. Xiaohong Shu functions as a vibrant and engaging hub where users can share their experiences, write reviews, and offer recommendations, particularly focusing on areas such as fashion, beauty, travel, and product discoveries. One of the standout features of Xiaohong Shu is its seamless integration of e-commerce, which allows users to purchase highlighted products directly through the app with ease. This unique combination of social interaction and online shopping creates a dynamic and engaging experience for users. The platform actively encourages community engagement through various interactive features, including following, liking, commenting, and saving posts, which helps cultivate a strong sense of belonging among its user base. In addition, Xiaohong Shu supports a wide array of content formats, such as photos, videos, and text, enabling users to express themselves creatively and share their stories in a multifaceted and rich manner. In contrast, Lemon8 places a strong emphasis on visually appealing content. It serves as a sanctuary for users who have a keen appreciation for aesthetically pleasing photos and videos, offering a variety of filters and editing tools that enhance their creative expressions. The platform organizes content into numerous categories, making it easier for users to discover specific interests and allowing for effortless exploration of a diverse range of topics. Lemon8 also provides a valuable platform for influencers to collaborate and engage with brands, mirroring the influencer marketing strategies that are prevalent on platforms like Instagram, which has become a cornerstone of social media marketing. At their core, both Xiaohong Shu and Lemon8 revolve around the concepts of community and user-generated content. However, they diverge significantly in their core functionalities and their emphasis on design aesthetics. The potential TikTok ban has sparked a wave of emotions among users. For many, TikTok isn't just an app, it's a community. Creators and users alike are worried about losing their connections, their creative outlets, and even their livelihoods. Imagine spending years building an audience, only to have it disappear overnight. That's the reality many TikTokers are facing, and their reactions range from anger to heartbreak. In addition, content creators have voiced concerns about the significant impact that a ban would have on their livelihoods. TikTok has emerged as a major platform for brand partnerships and monetization opportunities, and the loss of this income stream could result in severe financial consequences for many creators who depend on it for their income. In light of the potential ban, users are actively seeking out alternative platforms to continue their social media activities. Many are turning to options like Xiaohong Shu, Lemon8, and Instagram Reels in search of new avenues to share their content and maintain connections with their audiences. This proactive approach demonstrates a willingness to adapt and explore new opportunities in the face of uncertainty. The looming possibility of a TikTok ban has also ignited a wave of activism among its users. Many are actively advocating against the ban by signing petitions and participating in protests to voice their concerns. Furthermore, users are leveraging other social media platforms to spread awareness about the potential consequences of a ban, emphasizing the broader implications for free speech and digital expression that such a ban would entail. The potential TikTok ban could have significant ramifications for the social media landscape, potentially accelerating the growth of alternative platforms and influencing user behavior across various platforms. Rednote is emerging as a notable alternative to TikTok, attracting a steadily growing number of users. While it has not yet reached TikTok's level of popularity or user base, it is gaining traction due to several key factors that are appealing to users. Firstly, Rednote features a user-friendly interface that is both intuitive and familiar to those who are accustomed to TikTok's layout. Secondly, its focus on short-form video content aligns seamlessly with the existing content creation styles that are popular on TikTok, making it a natural choice for those who enjoy creating and consuming similar types of content. Nevertheless, Rednote faces certain challenges that it must navigate to achieve sustained growth. This limited user base can impact content visibility and engagement levels, making it more challenging for creators to gain traction and build their audiences. Additionally, while the diversity of content on Rednote is gradually increasing as more creators join the platform, users may currently find a less varied range of content compared to the extensive library available on TikTok. Despite these challenges, Rednote is witnessing a surge in downloads, particularly in the wake of discussions surrounding potential TikTok bans. This increased interest has fostered the development of an early adopter community, which is crucial for the app's future growth and sustainability. If Rednote can successfully retain these users and continue to enhance its platform, it has the potential to establish itself as a more significant player in the competitive short-form video market, offering users a viable alternative in the ever-evolving social media landscape. As the social media landscape continues to shift, one thing is clear: the way we connect online is changing, and users are adapting in ways we never expected. This circumstance not only underscores the emotional investment users have in these platforms, but also reflects the broader implications of such a ban on their sense of identity and belonging within the virtual realm. As the dust settles on the TikTok ban, one thing is clear: the social media landscape is evolving faster than ever. Whether it's Xiaohongshu, Lemon8, or another platform stepping into the spotlight, Users are proving that creativity and community can't be silenced. But this raises a bigger question. What does the future hold for how we connect, create, and share online? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the conversation is far from over. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to let us know in the comments. What's your go-to app now that TikTok's gone?